Hello, on Cook with the Nate. Today we'll be making some popcorn. Gotta open it up. Gotta go and there's a popcorn button on your microwave, but it always burns this. You gotta hit the 3. I should have cleaned the door before. It's starting to pop. Oh yeah. Once it stops popping or like gets really slow like this, you should like take it out. I'm just gonna let it pop a little bit more and then alright, so what you do is you take it out and then you press cancel on the microwave because the timer was still. Now if you're a freaking normie, right here is when you would open the bag by those little tabs on there. But then you get grease all over your fingers, so you gotta make like a makeshift bowl. You see, now you can just reach in and grab some popcorn. Or you won't even like get grease on your fingers, and you can still pick it up and carry it around, you know.